So over here, you can see that I got these sample models right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to see a section by cutting them off, but without actually deleting out the model. In that case, you can utilize something called the section plane. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the tools menu, then go to section plane right here. And then what you can do is simply click on a certain section right here, name the section as you want. So let's just go ahead and name it as sample and press OK. Then you can go ahead and use the move tool, click and drag it out to cut out this section, as you can see right here, just like this. So this does not actually go ahead and delete out the model right here. So I accidentally selected that. You can see that the model is still there, but you can go ahead and cut through to see through it right here, just like this. You can go around over here onto tools right here and then go to section plane, go around over here on this side as well, just like this. And I'm just going to say section 2 right here, just like this, press OK. And then you can go ahead and drag this in right here. So you can see that I got 2 sections now right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and see that this is the active one right here, just like this right here. If I were to double click on this one, then you can see that it cuts through that. If I were to double click on this one, now it cuts through that so that you can see through it. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the section cut tool inside a SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.